This is an easy and simple way to fix end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. So what we're going to start off with is opening the WhatsApp. And once we get there, we're going to click on the three dots, open up our settings. Then we're going to click on chats right there. Scroll down, look for chat backup. We're going to click on that. Then right underneath the green backup button, there is a end-to-end encryption. We're going to click on that. Once we get to that page, there's going to be some writing that says your backup is end-to-end encrypted on Google Drive. No one, not even Google or WhatsApp, can access it. To restore your chats from encrypted backup on a new device, you'll need your password. So we're going to click turn off and then click in the password we used when we had turned on the encryption. And there we have it. We are no longer end-to-end encrypted. You'll see there it is off. And then to turn it back on, all we do is click on that end-to-end encrypted backup. Then we click the green turn on button and we follow the prompts, and that should turn the end-to-end encryption right back on. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.